Hi guys, it's Food Tracker here. McDonald's have released the shaker fries again, the cheeseburger flavour, which I never tasted before. Last time it was released I think about 2 or 3 years ago. So it's the cheeseburger flavoured shaker. So I've got a cheeseburger here. I'll have a couple of bites of this. So I've got my shaker bag, and that's the cheeseburger flavoured shaker seasoning for shaker fries. That's how the packet looks like, guys. Start shaking the fries. A shout out to Craig on YouTube channel. So please subscribe to Craig on YouTube. He also does fast food reviews and local food reviews. He's also got a sidekick, Chris the Taste Tester, which is his old man. They are very good in what they review on. Very detailed, very thorough, guys. He's got like 2-3 camera setups. There's zoom in, bird's eye view, facing view. He's got his old man on the side tasting too. So you got 2 types of reviews of the product. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button for Craig on YouTube. Alright, let's kick it off. Alright, so you got that little bit cut bit there. Wow. How does it smell like? Slightly smells like a cheeseburger. Plus, it's got that Big Mac smell to it. I like their bag. It's better than Hungry Jack's little box. So I'll fold it, shake. Whoa, it's drippy. Dust everywhere. Alright, woo! And that's how it looks like. Let me just cut it so you guys have a good look. Up close. Very salted everywhere on the chip. And there it is there. See the salted cheeseburger. Alright, let's go for the taste test. Yes, it does taste. Yep, does taste like a cheeseburger. Slightly a bit salty. Very delicious. And yes, it does give that bit of a taste to a cheeseburger. The only downfall with this is that when they give you the French fries, whatever you order, small, medium or large, it's already salted, guys. That's the only downfall. That's why it makes it very strong in salt-wise taste, yeah? Please don't salt the chips. Give it like that so we can taste the actual cheeseburger flavour, guys. Would I buy this again? I probably would buy it again. What would I rate it? I'll give it an 8.5, guys. 8.5. Please make sure to subscribe to Craig on YouTube, guys. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. And see you next time.